Melancholia, Lee Do-hyun's devoted romance for I.M. Soo-jung. I.M. Soo-jung, who made her comeback 2 years after Search, WWW, and Lee Do-hyun, who showed solid performance in 18 Again, Sweet Home, and Youth of May, have met. Set in Asung High School, TVN's Melancholia tells the story of math teacher Ji Yoo-soo and math genius Baek Seung-woo. Although the ratings have been flat in the 1% range, the harmony the main characters show in the calm atmosphere is appealing. Among them, the relationship between Ji Yoo-soo, I.M. Soo-jung, and Baek Seung-woo, Lee Do-hyun, definitely catches the eye. Melancholia drew concerns as the storyline includes a relationship between a minor student and an adult teacher even before the premiere. But the drama overcomes these worries and avoids the controversy by going at it head-on. The story begins with Yoo-soo getting arrested by the police for having an inappropriate relationship with Seung-woo, a high school student, and Seung-woo rushing over to her to tell her that he'll prove her innocence. Afterwards, the plot goes back in time and unfolds the stories from the first time the two met. Yoo-soo, a newly appointed teacher in Asung High School, is a mathematician who loves math and a teacher who cares deeply about her students. She sometimes seems to have special attention for those who see the world through the eyes of mathematics like herself, but she doesn't favor anyone in particular. Yoo-soo wants all students to engage in the joy of exploring math rather than just blindly receiving indoctrinated education for the entrance exam and create an environment where students can study without prejudice and think independently. Seung-woo, who has the worst grades in Asung, is actually a math genius who loved mathematics to the extent that he even entered MIT at the age of 10. However, at the time, he witnessed the death of his close friend, who ended his own life for not being able to solve a math problem. Since then, he has built a wall around his heart. Yoo-soo discovers Seung-woo, who sees the world through a mathematical point of view like herself, and finds out that he, who seems to have given up on everything, still loves math. And Seung-woo, who had stopped caring about math and people, feels strangely attracted to Yoo-soo, who is similar to him, and joins the math club that she is the advisor of. Afterwards, the two gradually grow closer as they communicate through math. Seung-woo confesses the past incident that he never told anyone to Yoo-soo while preparing for the Math Olympics under her guidance. Only after receiving consolation from her that the death of his friend wasn't his fault, he overcome his trauma. Seeing Yoo-soo, the only adult who truly peers into his heart and cares for him, Seung-woo's feelings slowly develop from fondness to love. Naturally, this feeling only flows one-sidedly. Yoo-soo also cares for her student Seung-woo, who loves math as much as she does, but her wish to love and care for all students equally as a teacher is more emphasized. Yoo-soo unintentionally becomes the advisor for only one of the two students selected to compete in the Math Olympics, but continues to show her interest in the other student, Sug-yerin, as well. And when she was pointed out for favoring one student over others, she even tried to keep her distance from Seung-woo. When Seung-woo hears the news of Yoo-soo's wedding and confesses his feelings by using math as an example, what should I do if I run into a problem that I can't help but love and want to solve so badly? Yoo-soo gently pushes him away and draws a line as a teacher. In this process, I.M. Soo-jung shows the mature and grown-up way of handling the relationship between a minor student and an adult teacher. At the same time, Lee Do-hyun shows the quiet yet desperate acting of a man in unrequited love. From episode 7, the second part of the plot unfolds as Seung-woo, who now became a famous mathematician, and Yusu, who disappeared after being framed, reunite after 4 years. Even as an adult, Seung Vayu still has a crush on Yusu, but she pushes him away, as if trying to escape from her past. As Yusu tries to prove her innocence and uncover the corruption, and as Seung Vayu tries to prove Yusu's innocence, the two get involved with the school that turned their lives upside down again, ending up facing each other once more. Which direction will their relationship head? I'm looking forward to the captivating story they'll tell in the future. So, what do you think about this Korean movie? Let us know in the comments below.